Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Informative English with Sana. 30 action verbs with sentences. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. He jumps over the puddle. He jumps over the puddle. He writes in his journal. He writes in his journal. He cooks dinner every night. He cooks dinner every night. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. He draws beautiful landscapes. He draws beautiful landscapes. He sings in the choir. He sings in the choir. He dances at the party. He dances at the party. He swims in the lake. He swims in the lake. He paints his room blue. He paints his room blue. They climb the mountain every summer. They climb the mountain every summer. He listens to the radio. He listens to the radio. He speaks at the conference. He speaks at the conference. He teaches math to children. He teaches math to children. He learns a new language. He learns a new language. They build sandcastles on the beach. They build sandcastles on the beach. He laughs at the joke. He laughs at the joke. He cries during sad movies. He cries during sad movies. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. He rides his bike to work. He rides his bike to work. He shops for groceries every Friday. He shops for groceries every Friday. He works from home. He works from home. They travel to Europe every summer. They travel to Europe every summer. He helps his friend move. He helps his friend move. She watches the sunset. She watches the sunset. He eats breakfast early. He eats breakfast early. She prays before meals. She prays before meals. He drives to the office. He drives to the office. He sleeps 8 hours a night. He sleeps 8 hours a night. He talks to his neighbor. He talks to his neighbor. Thanks for watching our video on 30 action verbs with sentences. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any action verbs you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.